Hello! Look at what came today. We're gonna do the official unboxing. This is Ann from FranklyAnn's Creations. Let's see what's here. Oh, wants to unbox it too. Oh my. Well, it came pretty taped up. Ooh. All right, to New York. And I purchased the bundle. So this is what came in the bundle. We have our extra fine point pen set, Bohemian colors. I do like those colors. We have paper, Cricut vinyl and iron-on combo. Looks like there's silver in here, and plain old red, pink. That'll be good. Ooh, my basic tool set. Got scissors, little tweezer thingies. Okay, and here it is. Ooh, I might need help, Jasmine. You're gonna have to come into my YouTube video. I did that. I need you to help pull that box off. All right, maybe we'll tip it on the side. You call. There she is. The ultimate, what's it say? Ultimate Smart Cricketing Machine. Wow. It says included in the box is my premium fine point blade, my rotary blade, and a fine point pen. Okay, and I can purchase additional knife blade, scoring wheel, washable fabric pen, and calligraphy pen. How many times am I going to say, ooh? All right. Let's get started, box. Packaging. There. Pretty hefty. Pretty heavy. And then we have, oh, what's that? Oh, that's a little bent, but I don't think that makes anything. We have two little fabric grip boards down on the bottom, pink and blue. Color cord. So now, this out of the way. Little box. There she is. Cricut sticker and everything. I'm excited to try it out. Nicely. Let's see if I can do this. I have the beautiful rose gold. There it is. Wow. Oh, did you see that? That was pretty cool. All right, let me do my, I guess that goes up first probably, and then that goes. Let's get our let's get started box and see what's in here. So the reason I bought this one, the Cricut Maker, is because it says it'll cut fabric, wood, which that seems like a lot, vinyl, materials for your first project. Fabric, paper. We should get my glasses, huh? So we can see what we're doing here. Little booklet that says, open me first. I guess I should have opened it first. It says, 1, unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Okay, let's do it. Might need my phone to get connected. Okay, we're plugged in there. Where is, I saw it over here. Here. So we are plugged in and ready for step 2, which says get connected. So it says just go to Cricut.com setup. We walk you through every step. All right, hold please. I'm going to pause the video first. So what I did, I downloaded the app and now I created an account and now we plugged it in. We got to power it on, it says. Does it tell me where the power is? Actually, I think it should have said to take this thing out because I'm fearful that that might cause a problem. Okay, power on here. Now it says from settings, pair via Bluetooth. So I'm going to go to my settings here. Settings, Bluetooth, and we are going to see, oh, there it is, Maker. Okay, it found it. So now I'm pairing. Pin, it told me to enter that pin, so I'm going to pair. And it's connected. So now we shall go back to here. Okay, once connected, return to the app to finish setup. So it seems to be, okay, it's doing something. It is, let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest features. So we're going to download and update. Okay. Oh, wait, what's it say? Oh. Says do not disconnect from your machine. All right, it's very friendly. Loading machine settings. Okay, I'm getting the little, I should be showing you that, getting the little green line going across. My machine is up to date, so now we're going to click continue. Yeah, we'll register our machine. I'm all set up. Okay, so we'll walk you through every step. Okay, I'm getting this. It says grab this Cricut Access plan. It includes 100,000 plus images plus thousands of projects. It's $9.99 a month. Well, we'll do that later, maybe later. Okay, we're going to test a cup. We get to select an image. All right, it's going to give me some lips, a mountain, football, a crown, this bear, or a sunflower. I want to do the sunflower. Okay, now I'm going to do next. Okay, I thought I clicked on next. Okay, prepare to cut. Place cardstock on the mat's top left corner. It didn't really tell me which one to use. All right, it's not telling me. I'm guessing I take this off. I'm guessing this is a protector. Let's go back, make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun. It's fun. Okay, I'm taking this off, and I'm not sure. I'm just doing a sunflower, so I'm not sure how big it is. So I'm going to come around here. And what do you think? Should I use this piece of paper or this piece of paper? They make it look like I should use the big piece of paper, don't you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll try it. So there's a front side and a back side, and it's not telling me which one. So we're going to keep the bumpy side up and hope that's correct. So I found a couple flaws already here in their directions. All right, so I got it in the top left corner. Confirm the blade is set in place. So I'm assuming that's the blade. Oh yeah, you can see that's got a tiny little, well, a tiny itty bitty little point there. So now I shall put this back in. Oh, and it just sets in there. It's almost magnetic, huh? Okay. Uh-oh, now I'm scared. Okay. Nope, I didn't do it. All right. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay, I did that. I push mat up under the guides towards the rollers. Well, I'm a little, oh, I see. All right, there's the guides are right here. Okay, towards the rollers. There's the rollers. I'll put it out of the way. And then press the flashing load unload button on the machine. I don't know if I see that it's flashing. It's not flashing. Oh, mine didn't flash, but I pressed it. Okay, I did that. Yeah. Now what? Try it again.
Is there like a start button, or was that the start button that you pushed?
I thought that was a start button, but maybe
well, it wasn't flashing before, but now it's flashing.
Okay, now it's flashing. Okay. So now we're going to try it again. Okay, maybe I was just too slow. Okay, now it's flashing. Oh, all right. Let's hope it works. Now, what do I do? Oh, start cut. Press the flashing go button.
Okay.
Okay, the go button. Yeah, see, I must have, maybe I was too slow. Okay, I pressed that. Now it's telling me my cup is in progress. Oh, it's like scanning the paper, I think. Oops, I should put this up like this so you can see. The sun's shining on our video. Ooh, there it goes. It's cutting it. It's cutting it. Let me bring this over so. Let's see. Cricut is at work. Next, test cut complete. Press the load unload button. That's the flashing one there. Okay, so it took it out. Now I remove the cut image in cardstock from the mat. Keep learning. Okay. So now it's telling me to remove this. Oh, I'm nervous. What if I rip it? I think this is where I'm supposed to use those little tools maybe. Oh, it's okay. So your mat is tacky. Okay, so you can see it. Got these little things we can poke out for sunflower. My first project. We'll do that other stuff. All right. Now it says, keep learning at Cricut.com. Get in the picture. Bookmark this page, which is Cricut.com/create. So this is Anne Frank signing off with FranklyAnn's Creations. Give us the thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe. Bye.